In today's video, we're going to look at adding a new post to your blog. And we're going to add a video and an image, which is all pretty easy to do. So first of all, go into your blog and go to Posts, All Posts, and then underneath that you've got Add New. So give it a name. So call it something that you think people will be interested in. I'm just going to write how to write a blog post, just for something to write, and then put a bit of text underneath. And obviously you're going to write a much longer article than the one I'm doing. I'm just writing a few lines. And next we're going to add an image and then a video. Videos used to be quite difficult, but they're much easier to add now. So let's go to this Add Media button up here. And I'm going to add one from the media library because I've already got some in there. When you're just starting, you'll have to upload an image, and I'll show you how to do that in a minute. But for now, we're going to choose one here. So you see when I've chosen it, a blue box appears around it with a tick. And then over to the side, I can insert image. And as you can see, once I've done that, the image appears on the page. And now I'm going to insert a video, and for that I choose Insert from URL. And then I'm going to head over to YouTube. And I'm going to choose one of my own videos. And all I have to do is put the URL of the video in here. And as you can see, that appears in this box. And then again, I have to hit Insert into Post. And you'll see that the video appears underneath the image. So now I'm going to show you how to upload an image. There are two ways of doing this. You can either drag and drop, or you can go and find the image. You can navigate your way to the image. But before I do that, I'm going to add a category for this. So you'll want to put all of your articles into a relevant category. So I'm going to call this category Creating a Blog. There are other ways of creating categories which I'll show you later, but this is quite a good way to do it. So we've put in the title, we've put Add New Category, and then you can see that automatically the post is selected by the little tick beside Creating a Blog. So it's been put into that category. And now we're going to go and have a look at it, and you can see that here it is. So we've got your image, and under Recent Posts at the side, we've got How to Write a Blog Post. Now, if you want to edit, you're going to go to All Posts and then choose the post that you want to edit and click Edit. So I'm just going to delete this image, and when I click on it, you'll see that this little box appears at the top, and you can edit or delete. So we're going to delete. And now we're going to go back to Add Media. So this time we're going to go to Upload Files, and you see what happens. You can either drag and drop or select. So I've just downloaded this image from Pixabay, and as you can see, I can simply drag it in here. So this is the easiest way to add it. And then once it shows up with this little tick, you can go over to the side and insert it. Now you can choose to align it. You can link. We're not going to link anything, and you can choose the size. I'm going to just leave it at this size so that you see what it's like. Now it won't do the full size because there is a sidebar and there just isn't, basically there isn't enough room. So I'm just going to insert it into the post at the size that it is. And here we have it. And you can see it's actually quite small. Now I'm going to update the post. Always remember to update so that your changes have been saved. And now we're going to view post to see what it looks like to visitors. So you can see that it's actually quite small. It's a lot smaller than the video. So we go to the top of the page and hit edit post, and that takes us back inside. And now we're going to edit. And I'm just going to change the size. I'm going to change it to full size, although it won't be nearly as wide as that. It will just be the size of the page, the width of the page, which is what we want. So there we go, you can see it's increased. Make sure that you update your post. And now we're going to view post again. As you can see, the post is now, the image is now wider. It's the same width as the video. So that's all there is to it. It's very, very easy to do. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to upload the image from your computer rather than drag and drop. So I've just deleted the image from the post, and I'm just going to put the cursor where I want it to be. And then I'm going to click the Add Media button. And this time I'm going again to Upload Files, but I'm going to choose Select Files. And so this box pops up. I know the file is in my Download folder, so I click on Downloads. I know it's a JPEG, so I'm going to put .jpg and search, and all the images come up, and there's the one I want. It's called Wave. So I choose that and click Open. And you can see that the image is uploading in the media library. Now you'll see I've already got it here, because although I deleted it from the post, I didn't delete it from the media library. So once the image is uploaded and you've got your little tick in the corner, we can go over to the side and insert it into the post. But before I click on that, I'm just going to change the size. And you can play around with different sizes on your own blog to see how they look. I'm going to choose full size, and you can see it's now loading onto the page. And now I just need to update my post. And then I'm going to go and view post. Image, back in the post, and it's the same width as the video. So there you go, it's really quite easy to upload an image. And if you'd like to get some free PDF tutorials, click on the link below and you can sign up for those. Thanks for watching.